Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100, and today we are going to discuss about the price analysis of SLP Smooth Love Potion. So over the last 24 hours the volume has increased, and volume is the main indicator, the most important for the analysis. Let's head over to SLP trading view, but before that I want to show you the minting. Okay, the minting versus burning. You can take a look at here. Since 24th of September, the burning has increased. You can see the burning rate as compared to the previous data. You can see the burning has increased. Okay, you can see here the average is above. Okay, the average is more than the burning, but at the same time you can see we have seen some huge minting as well. But again, burning versus minting, both have increased. So but over the last, let me show you from since 4th of September, I think. So that's 4th September, no, 4th October, sorry. Since 4th October we have seen a drop in the minting and increase in burning, so that's a good sign. Okay, so this chart can be available from xeworld.com. okay, you can go to the xeworld.com, go to the SLP issuance, okay, and you can take a look at yourself about the burning versus minting of the SLP. Now let's head over to the tradingview.com, and I'm gonna show you some interesting an interesting OBV chart as compared to the corresponding candlesticks. Now take a look at these black bars. Okay, whenever the black bar is above this black line or tested the black line here, you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 black bars. Okay, now we're going to compare it with the corresponding candles on that day. Now here, whenever we see this level being tested, you can see the price increase, and after that we see a dip. Okay, secondly, whenever the OBV reaches this level, we see increase in price and then a dip. Third time, increase in price and then a dip. Okay, continuing, you can see whenever it reached here at this point. Now this is different than the previous three ones. In this case the volume went up above this black line, so you can say whenever this OBV resistance gets broken, we see increase in price. You can see here price gets increased afterwards. Now fifth candle here, we're gonna take a look at here, price increase and then decrease in the price. Sixth time here, you can see this level has been broken. Okay, this level has been broken, and again we can see here the price increased, and afterwards we saw increase in the candlestick as well. So you can see the fourth pattern is matching up with the sixth one. You understand? Okay, understand this pattern, this candle pattern, these two candle patterns is matching these two. Okay, these two. So what is the most important thing? The OBV is increasing. Okay, OBV is increasing means the on balance volume is increasing as well. You can see the convergence. This is the convergence, means candlesticks and the OBV is increasing, making you higher lows. You can see higher lows, the candle is also making the higher lows, so it is making convergence, and that's a good sign. And the volume has increased over the past 24 hours as well, so that's a good sign for the OBV. And you can see the volume has increased from this this resistance. You can call this one a resistance line. So whenever we saw this resistance line gets broken in the past, we saw increase in price in these two cases. Now let's head over to the the levels, the important levels. Now the important levels, the price is hovering over the resistance 0.0817. again repeating, this level is an important reason being we saw one test previously, two tests, 3, 4. Once this level was broken, it has retested this area. So what is the next scenario? Well, this candle, which is in formation right now, this is a daily candle, it has to close above 0.0817. You can see when previously we saw, for example, this candle, okay, this green candle, when it closed above, we saw an increase in price, but no green candles has closed above this area. You can see here, okay, you can see here, other than this one. Okay, it was a basically a test at the next resistance. I'm talking about the candle closing above here. For example, price started here, it closed above. Just take a look at this red candle. Okay, this red candle, only this candle was the closed above, it closed above. Okay, and what we saw afterwards, we saw an increase opening here and increase in price, as because it was matching up with the OBV volume. Okay, OBV was increasing at that time. So the important thing is that the price is moving up, it has to close above this level. Okay, and the next resistance would be at 0.0972. this is the 1 day chart. Okay, 1 day chart. Okay, so if we take a look at the weekly one, the weekly area is showing that the candles have started to consolidate. You can see previously it happened back back in June 2021. Okay, this area 31 May, 7th June, 14 June, 4 weeks of consolidation like this one, and then we saw a increase, a breakout. So this is a good sign that the volume is increasing. If we take a look at the the weekly OBV, let's take a look at you can see the OBV has started to increase. You can see here, okay, it has started to increase, and it's a good sign for the OBV. But guys, I will be honest with you. Okay, OBV and the candle needs to break, and lot of rumors are going that on the if you just go on to the Twitter, you're gonna see everyone is bullish about the SLP. But again, it depends upon on these candles. Well, the chart is looking bullish. You can see here 2 green candles making higher highs and higher lows. It's a good area. The only thing which it needs is that this week candle, it needs to close above 0.087. Previously over the last 3 weeks, since 13th September, we haven't seen anything closing above. You can see clearly, this is the weekly area, this is the weekly chart, and weekly is the most important one. Okay, and previously, again, if you go back again here at this level, when this candle was opened above the area 0.0871 weekly candle, we saw a huge pump towards the upside. So again, telling you the one important thing, the weekly candle, this green candle, which is the weekly candle, it has to close above 0.0817. then we might we might be breaking this level in the weeks to come, or maybe 0.01 going to be tested. So need confirmation. Still no confirmation. It may get rejected from this level as well. So it's also possible right now that it's a 50-50 scenario, but more the OBV is increasing, the price is increasing. So keep an eye. If we see anything closing above this level, then that would be a bullish confirmation. That would be a bullish confirmation up till 0.0972 or 0.1. That would be the bullish scenario. Once we are above, you can see the chart. Previously we tested this level. The take profit would be somewhere here. Let me draw the levels here. Okay, you can take a look at here. This would be the first profit. That would be the first target, 0.2590. If we break out from here, it can increase to 0.2597. so if we take a look at the trend, we can see the trend here. You can see clearly we saw a downward bearish channel, you can see, and now it has started to straighten. It has started to straighten, so we might gonna see some sort of consolidation in the coming weeks, and once we form a sound base with a strong volume, we can break out. So that is the current and realistic analysis of the SLP. So these are the levels. Okay, keep an eye on them. If we close anything above these three levels, then that would be a bullish area. That would be the bullish scenario. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.